I've been wanting a pop-up canopy for a while, and when I saw all the amazing features on this one, I had to have it. The setup is really easy. You just pull out the 4 corners until everything pops into place. Then you throw the canopy top over, and it has these nice Velcro spots, so you just Velcro each corner into position. Then you can put your foot on the little pedal on each leg to help you pull up the legs to the height that you want. They are adjustable, so you can have it as high or low as you want. And then there are several spots to Velcro the canopy to the frame that keep it in place real nice. I love that it's double layered on the corners of the frame, and so it keeps it from tearing. Then you just easily push in the stakes in each corner through the provided hole on the foot of the legs. It also comes with 4 sandbags that you can fill up to weigh down each leg, or you can stake it down with provided ropes. One of my favorite features is this red button. All other canopies I've used, everyone gets their fingers pinched in this spot, and it's so nice to be able to have a nice red button that keeps your fingers away from getting pinched. The side panels are really easy to set up. You just put the center hook on the frame, and then you will have these metal corner hooks that you put in the corner of each frame, and then there will be metal hooks all down the side that you just wrap around like this. I was so excited when I saw these panels because there's so many times when the sun is coming in and we've had to strap all sorts of tarps to the side to create shade or a barrier, whatever it is, and it's so nice that these perfectly fit and hook on so easily. I love that I can expand the canopy by just raising the panels up to create even more shade. The legs just easily snap into place. And then the panels come with a loop that you just loop over the pointed part of the leg. Then you take your tie down rope, and it will have a little loop at the end that you just loop over the spike and then stake down the other end. These raised panels are the whole reason I had to have this canopy over all the others. I just thought that was such a genius idea, because we have been going to the beach and all sorts of different places and having to haul multiple canopies and strap all sorts of tarps to them just to create enough shade for everyone we needed. And then I found this, and now I'm able to get so much more shade, customizable, all with just one canopy. And a huge bonus, the bag has wheels, so you can easily move it.